Viewers, the battle for 2024 is nearing and the opposition is trying to put aside their differences to unite against the BJP. But Home Minister sent out a warning yesterday. He said that the India alliance will not last long and warned that the Aam Aadmi Party might dump the Congress right after the Delhi services matter is settled. Today it appears that the tracks are already visible. Let's first remind you of how the Home Minister warned the India alliance.
मेरा सभी से निवेदन है कि अलायंस के मद्देनजर इस पर अपना अभिप्राय न करें। देश के और राजधानी क्षेत्र के भले के लिए न्यूट्रलिटी से बात करें। और वैसे भी मैं बता देता हूं विशेषकर कांग्रेस पार्टी वालों को कि ये बिल पारित होने के बाद वो अलायंस में आपके साथ आने वाले नहीं है। तो जो सच है वो करिए। इतना अपील करके मेरी बात को समाप्त करें।
Now it appears that this is already happening. It's an all-out mohalla fight between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress over healthcare services in the national capital. Karnataka Health Minister visited a mohalla clinic in Delhi. A jubilant AAP welcomed the minister. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said that the government of Delhi and Karnataka can learn from each other. But Dinesh Gundu Rao said that he wanted to visit the Delhi clinic as he had heard a lot about it and that the aim is to see how Karnataka can improve its healthcare services for the urban poor. But moments later, the Karnataka minister called Delhi Mohalla clinics overhyped. This is what he said.
हमेशा हमारे सदर्न स्टेट्स में हेल्थ का जो सिस्टम है थोड़ा बेहतर है, लेकिन कुछ इधर सबसे सीखने के लिए हमको जानकारी मिलता है और द मोर वी शेयर इन्फॉर्मेशन द बेटर इट इज। अल्टीमेटली हमारा जो है इंटेंशन आम आदमी के लिए जो कॉमन मैन है उनके लिए पूरा सेवा करने के लिए, तो इसीलिए हम आपका हेल्थ मिनिस्टर को भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ टू कम टू कर्नाटका, क्योंकि उधर भी बहुत सारे है जो देखने लायक है।
It is okay, appreciate whatever, but it's not a game changer. It is not something unique, and it's not something that is not in so many states have got better models also.
But Aam Aadmi Party is saying that you praised those clinics.
I said it is a decent one. They were there with me, so obviously I said it. But I'm just saying that it is not some game changer. That's what I told.
Do you think it's going to create some rift between you and Aam Aadmi Party?
No.
Even in Karnataka, we have a better model. The comment didn't go down well with the Aam Aadmi Party. Kejriwal's team launched a scathing counter-attack.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾದಂಥ ಗುಂಡೂರಾವ್ ಅವರು ದೆಹಲಿಯ ಮೊಹಲ್ಲಾ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಭಾಳ ಡಿಸಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನನಗೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗಳು 150ಕ್ಕೂ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. 3 ಟೈರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮು ಮೊಹಲ್ಲಾ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋದು. ಮೊಹಲ್ಲಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಗಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿ 150 ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ತಾಪತ್ರಯಗಳೇನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಜನ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನೂ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗಳು ದುರಸ್ತಿ ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಂದಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ದನಗಳು ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತೀರಿ. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಾ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆನೋ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸೋ ಜಯದೇವನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಲೂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಾರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗಳು. ಆ ಮೊಹಲ್ಲಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಹಕ್ಕು ನಿಮಗಿಲ್ಲ.
The BJP obviously has got ammunition to lash out at the India alliance.
Dinesh Gundu Rao, who visited Mohalla clinic in Delhi, has exposed its drawbacks and pathetic performance of those clinics, thereby exposing the chinks in the unholy alliance between Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party, which they call themselves as Iron India. The challenge to Narendra Modi cannot be made by these disgruntled elements who do not have a cohesive coalition to present before the people.
Let's quickly open this up. Sanju Verma, the national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Karan Verma, author, analyst, stays on. Kamru Zaman Chaudhary of the Congress. Abdul Razak Khan, member of the Waqf Board Karnataka. Parvinder Sethi, political analyst, completes the panel. Now, Kamru Zaman Chaudhary, मजबूरी से मड स्लिंगिंग तक एक ही दिन में?
No, I don't know how come you come to that conclusion. A Karnataka AAP leader had made a comments against the Congress leaders who visited the Mohalla clinics. But that's how, isn't it designed the India as a union of states, that we seek to learn from one another and develop ourselves more. All in the benefit of
ये union
the
of
common
states
man.
नहीं, I'm sorry.
Now the question
Kamruzaman
remains,
Chaudhary, I'm sorry, but it appears to me as union of differences divide. और ये तो they just stopped short of abusing each other. I'll tell you what he said.
no.
Chandru, the AAP leader has
most
said,
important
if
thing
you
is
go
that
to your
the
clinics,
BJP
you will
should
see
not
there is
be
no water,
commenting
no
on
toilet,
this.
animals are there. अब ये तो सर लेवल है, आप बताइए.
No, Pranesh, have you visited the Gorakhpur? No, wait. Pranesh, have you visited the Gorakhpur hospital with Sanju Verma is laughing? Wherein one doctor was even arrested, dismissed from service, just to highlight the Yogi Adityanath government's incompetence in arranging oxygen for the children, where 80 to 90 children lost their lives. Now look at the hypocrisy of the Bharatiya Janata Party speaking like this. Listen, Team India Alliance has been formed to get rid of these forces from power. which
You are
seeking
getting
to
rid of
divide
each other.
India into
The way it's
multiple
going,
parts.
I'm sorry.
But
No,
we
Mr.
as a
Chaudhary,
country
Mr.
have
Chaudhary,
come
just hear me
down.
out, sir. 1 minute. I'll get
No,
Sanju Verma to respond
don't
to your
go
question
into
about
this.
Gorakhpur. 1 minute. Answer this straight question.
Has BJP, you know what?
This can't be a monologue by this insane guy.
8 minute. एक छोटा सा Sanju Verma, just allow me one question, Mr. Chaudhary. ये बताइए, ये are you calling it Team India? Is this how a team is supposed to be? एक दूसरे को गाली निकाल रहे हैं वो.
Pranesh ji, what happened to the BJP Akali Dal alliance, BJP TMC alliance, BJP PDP alliance, BJP Shiv Sena alliance? All were part of the NDA.
Okay.
What happened to them? Suddenly,
Sanju Verma,
bubbled
why
up
are you
an alliance of
celebrating?
38 parties.
Look within.
Who had got 0.001%.
Okay, let's hear from the BJP.
0.003% coming together on the same day when the Bangalore meeting was going on.
Ji.
Now the hypocritical Bharatiya
can you
Janata
ask
Party
She's
will try
answering
and
your
say,
question.
"Look, we have
Okay,
got
Mr.
38
Chaudhary, ho gaya.
parties
Let's hear
under
from
government."
the BJP spokesperson.
You know, Pranesh, earlier I used to get a tad agitated when the Congress spokespersons or their unofficial family darbaris used to come and rant in TV studios of how Rahul Gandhi कितने महान है, कांग्रेस कितनी महान है. आजकल मुझे उन पर दया आती है और हंसी भी आती है. And I'll tell you why. You know, okay, out of the 38 alliance partners of BJP in the NDA, I admit 24 have 0 seats in the Lok Sabha. But in any alliance, it is the fulcrum which is the decisive factor. In the NDA, it is the BJP. Can you ask this man to keep quiet? Can you shut up?
No, 1 minute. Let's be civil. Kamruzaman ji, sir, let's not interrupt. She didn't interrupt while you were making your point.
This man is a big man. Keeps talking
Once
nonsense.
they are educated,
Mr. Chaudhary, please let her speak, sir. Please, you're forcing me to then lower the fader. Then you will say कि बोलने नहीं दिया, mic's muted, all that.
On your debate.
Please shut up.
No, lower my
Shut
feet.
up.
Don't you take
Sanju
off
Verma,
my
let's be civil, please.
language that this
1 minute.
BJP
Sanju Verma, please.
fringe
I'm asking you
spokesperson
to
is
keep
taking-
quiet,
is
please.
talking on
Let's not
national
get
television.
personal, please. Please.
Have a control on our language.
Yeah, now can I? Okay.
This fringe spokesperson from the BJP.
What is this man?
Television.
Now, Kamruzaman Chaudhary, 1 minute. Kamruzaman Chaudhary, Abdul Razak Khan. I've made that point, sir. I've asked her to be 1 minute.
From the ruling
हो गया, sir. Abdul Razak Khan, I have told her that. I have conveyed that point. Let her speak, please. 1 minute. Sanju Verma, you. Okay, faders down. Sanju Verma, make your point. I'm coming to you. Abdul Razak Khan. Then you counter her on facts.
Thank you, Pranesh. Thank you so much. Pranesh, you know, ये लोग जो यहाँ बैठकर तमीज की बात करते हैं without, being too verbose, let me just tell you, I'm not a fan of Dinesh Gundu Rao. I'm not a fan of the Congress. But I'm glad that today he exposed the Aam Aadmi Party's healthcare model for the shabby model that it is. If you recall, on an average, every year the Aam Aadmi Party has been allocating 12,000 crore towards its healthcare budget in New Delhi. Now tell me, Pranesh, in the last 8 years, that means 96,000 crores have been roughly spent/allocated by Kejriwal's dispensation to healthcare in Delhi. I want to ask him, आपने कितने अस्पताल बनाए? How many beds did you set up? You said we will set up 30,000 new beds in new hospitals. They have not set up a single bed. You said हम लोग 5,000 CCTV कैमरास लगाएंगे, आपने पता नहीं कितने कैमरास लगाए. आपने कहा हम 10,000 नई बसेस लेकर आएंगे, आपने वो नहीं किया. आपने कहा हम 2 लाख टॉयलेट्स बनवाएंगे, आपने वो नहीं किया. My limited point is that Aam Aadmi Party is a classic case of tall promises that repeatedly go unfulfilled.
So you believe that this alliance?
Can I just finish in 10 seconds? I want to make one very important point since we are discussing healthcare. Why is it that the Ayushman Bharat program of Prime Minister Modi, which has been hailed by the United Nations as one of the world's largest healthcare insurance scheme, why is Kejriwal so scared and frightened?
Parvinder Sethi, answer that.
Ayushman Bharat.
परविंदर जी, टीम इंडिया आपस में लड़ रही है. आम आदमी पार्टी वर्सेस कांग्रेस शुरू हो गया सर. वो बोल रहे हैं आपके मोहल्ला क्लिनिक में सिर्फ मोहल्ला ही है, क्लिनिक दिखा नहीं उनको.
नहीं, आपको लड़ाई नजर आ रही है, आपको कोऑर्डिनेशन नजर नहीं आ रही. जो
एकदम कोऑर्डिनेटेड अटैक था सर. वो जैसे निकले उन्होंने बोलना शुरू कर दिया. आई कैन सी दैट कोऑर्डिनेशन.
नहीं, अरे सर लेट मी कंप्लीट. अगर आप बीजेपी वालों के बीच में तो बोलते नहीं है, अब हमारे को थोड़ा सा समय देते हैं, उसको भी कंप्लीट नहीं करने देंगे तो कैसे बात बनेगी? मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि उन्होंने तारीफ करी, उन्होंने कहा कि हमारे वहां पे बेटर फैसिलिटीज हैं, हमारे वहां लेबोरेटरीज हैं जिसमें पेशेंट को इमीडिएटली वहां पे टेस्टिंग की फैसिलिटीज है. और उन्होंने ये बोला कि भी मैं जिस तरह से सोचता था उस तरह से वहां मोहल्ला क्लिनिक नहीं है. वो उनका देखिए अभी मोहल्ला क्लिनिक डेवलप हो रहा है. इसमें आपस में कहां से वो हो गया? भारतीय जनता पार्टी के अंदर एक घबराहट है, एक बौखलाहट है. जो इंडिया जो एक अलायंस बनी है वो सच और झूठ के लिए बनी है, न्याय और अन्याय के लिए बनी है. जो आपने अपने देश के अंदर डिक्टेटरशिप की राजनीति करी है और डेमोक्रेसी को खत्म करने का काम करा है. लॉ एंड ऑर्डर कोलैप्स कर गया है.
इसी डिक्टेटरशिप से अरविंद केजरीवाल चुनाव जीत जाते हैं.
की जरूरत है, सिस्टम रिफॉर्म्स लाने की जरूरत है.
If you win in Delhi, there is democracy flourishing.
अरे जीते हैं 3 बार.
तो सर अगर जीते हैं तो डेमोक्रेसी तो है ना. आप देश बार डेमोक्रेसी पे सवाल उठा देते हैं. पहले बोला कि ईवीएम में प्रॉब्लम है
सर. क्या अरे कमाल. अरे नहीं, मैं ईवीएम की तो बात नहीं कर रहा.
मैं बताता हूं आपको. आप सुनिए करण, आई एम जस्ट कमिंग टू यू. आप बोल रहे हैं कोऑर्डिनेशन. आपने शायद ट्वीट नहीं पढ़ा दिनेश गुंडूराव का. उन्होंने कहा है आई गेस इट इज ओवर हाइप्ड एंड आई केम बैक फीलिंग डिसअपॉइंटेड. अब मैं इसका अनुवाद नहीं करूंगा, आप समझ गए.
आपने एक अरे सर एक शब्द के ऊपर आपने डिबेट खड़ी कर दी और बाकी शब्दों को आप भूल गए. बाकी शब्द जो उन्होंने बोले वो आप भूल गए.
अब मैं बाकी पढ़ूंगा तो आपका या तो फ्रेम फ्रीज हो जाएगा या नहीं तो आप चले जाएंगे. मैं अगर बाकी पढ़ दूं तो देखिए ट्वीट हमने लगा दिया है. आप ही पढ़ लीजिए सर. आप बता दीजिए इसका क्या मतलब होता है. करण,
चिंता कीजिए.
व्हाट वाज मिस्टर गुंडूराव ट्राइंग टू से? मिस्टर सेठी कांट अंडरस्टैंड. कुड यू प्लीज enlighten us?
Pranesh, my respect for Mr. Gundu Rao has actually gone up.
I can understand
because he was so honest and so innocent. Because very innocently, what he's also admitted is that the Karnataka healthcare system that the BJP had left behind, because you can't create a system in 2 months, that was also working. That was also clicking. That was also much better than what we see in Delhi. And Pranesh, I make a larger point. Delhi healthcare system, which has been put in place by Arvind Kejriwal for 9 years, is in an absolute mess. We see stray animals in mohalla clinics. I come from Delhi. I can tell you this, in South Delhi, streets are flooded, water pollution, no flogging done, nothing at all. I mean, it is a healthcare crisis that has been perpetuated by Arvind Kejriwal. I am glad today that Dinesh Gundu Rao, keeping all political affiliations aside, has said that they are in an absolute mess, and he has not pulled his stops. He's not pulled his punches. He's said it in as many words. And Arvind Kejriwal, Sanju ji rightly raised 12,000 crores every year. What has he done with it? No new hospitals, mohalla clinics. I think they are a very big scam, because most of this land is that of their volunteers or their people close to them. I don't know how it's leased out. Okay. I think that's there for
Let me bring in Abdul Razak Khan. Now, which side are you on today? Team India has 2 sides. Mr. Gundu Rao and the Aam Aadmi Party's claims. आप किस तरफ है सर? आप विंडो में तो बीच में है.
प्रणीत जी, पहले आपको ये बात को समझना चाहिए कि the alliance is for 2024 general election.
तो 2023 में हम लड़ेंगे और एक दूसरे को कुछ भी बोलेंगे. 2024 में हम यूनाइट होंगे.
अरे सर सुनिए ना सर, एक सेंटेंस. Pranesh, don't you feel that you're doing injustice to Team India? You allow the BJP spokesperson to speak, that too irrelevant.
We've run out of time. We'll continue this as we go along, but we'll have to take a break, viewers. Thanks for watching.